Hi friends, my name is Harshada Kishorwalle. I have completed BE NTC in Keystone School of Engineering through Pune University in 2021. Today's date is 6 January 2021. Today's Viva topic is a collection in framework. Collection in framework is a basic concept of object-oriented programming language, and the collection is the use of Java programming language. Basically, the collections means of an single units of an object, and the collections is use of an ready-made of an architecture, say, and the collections of an frameworks means of an is a manipulating and the storings of an singles of an object, say. And this manipulating and the storings of a single objects is the interface and the implementations of the interface and the implementations, say, of the classes, say. And it is also of an architecture, say. And the collections of an interface is a ready-made of an architecture, say. And the collections of an frameworks is the it is the storings of any elements, say. The collections of an frameworks is the mainly manipulating of the it is the interfaces and the classes. The it is provides of an interfaces of an list of an interface list of the interfaces, say, set, say, queen a d queen a, and the interface list of an array list a, linked list a. After that it is the array list a, linked list a, singly linked list a, doubly linked list. It is the form of an list of it is collections of a framework. Now discuss about one by one of an array list. Array list is the use of an Java programming language, and the array list is the array of an is the not fix of an array of an size. It is the size of an many times of an changing, say. Many times the array of an size is the of an less, say, then greater, say, is not of the of an fix of an array size, say. The array size is also of an includes of the of an duplicates of the of an elements, say. And the array size it is the array size is the insertions of an order, say. And the array size is the is the use of an collection, say. And the array of an list is the array of an list is the usings of an insertions of an order, say. The array of an list is the not use and it is the randoms of an accessing, because of the array of an list is the not works of an array, but it is the works of an but it is the array of an list, but it is the workings of the of an index. So it is the use of an array list. The array of an list it is the use of an many of an method, say, likes of an add method, say, remove method, say, then last index of an method, say, index of an method, say, strings method, say, array method, say, many of an method used in an array list. After that the simply of the open linked list. The simply of an linked list is the also open duplicates of the open elements. The simply of a linked list it is the open remove of the open element, and the simply of a linked list one by one open elements of an attach. The simply of an list can be open duplicates of the open elements. The simply of an linked list as the fast of the open comparisons, and the simply of the panelist is the simply of the panelist is the open fast open fast of the fast open collections, because of an simply of the open no needs of the open shiftings of the open elements. So it is use of an simply of an linked list. Then W of an linked list. W of an linked list is use of the mainly of an Java programming language, and the W of the linked list is use of the both of ways. It is the add of the elements and the remove of the elements is the both of the ways. It is use of simply of the linked list. The simply of linked list, array list and doubly linked list use of the Java util packages. So it is the collections of frameworks. That's all. Thank you.